Yeah, man, I say, man, I monster himself for chat, man, and say, no, say, yo, they are represent for Warriors Entertainment. You hear that? Check them out now on the YouTube. Be a bad upload. You hear that? Believe what I tell you. From my bad, I know, say, man, for great. And so, say that.
Everybody will know. So when we get my birthday gift and what it is, I mean, people who know them already. So thank you so much. I get my birthday pudding. You know, I'm going to do cake from the day of my week. Yeah, so we get my birthday pudding right now. I'm people about piece of file paper. Jesus, they couldn't make it look neat, brother. Give them say the pudding, you couldn't just make it. John, yo, pass one knife, give me that. Not here, over there. Pass one knife, give me that. Nobody can shoot no triangle in my rust. That's why I put in that tell about. I can't piece them with, yo, John. Yeah, man, give thanks for your birthday present. Come on, how old? Yes, man. One straight nation and I want to die. This is not Guatemala. It's not Curacao. This is United States of Bumper Clock, Miami. Yeah. And I'm a brother birthday. I'm from the rich in the age. I said, well, look. And me have prayer here, them and they know name so. So, you hear that? Yeah. So, you know, I'm telling us still. But we just buy the house there. So, come on, man. Look, see a case of another 1.1. Yo, I'm cool mixed with my heart and your look by the chandelier there. And guess what? Him not live here. So walk out the blood clot key to me because it's up to the moment.
Fuck Christophe.
So, Trevor, you believe, sir? I want them this I don't know why. Village farm or cassava beef.
Mountain View.
You say yes, sir. Where are they now? The road split in a few. So you have down on that side there where crackhead, homeless people are trying to make it in that. You see, up your son.
Talk to them, Foota.
Up your son, you walk with that. Police patrol million. Remember, I hope you're something cheap to buy one house. The cheapest house up here $1.5 million US. You want to like a joke? Cut up here and give it.
Yo, you hear me say that, man? If I don't say I bang, you know, represent for Warriors Entertainment. We're right?
Fuck. That's when we reach to the point of disrespect. Kishima, me a bad boy. Chance time, them man a bad boy. Chance time, them a falabaka. And gopher.
But let me ask you this though.
Chance time can't see me nowhere.
No violence, Foota. We not promote no violence. But
no, me not promote violence. I'm just saying him can't do it. And before them got jail, him couldn't do it.
No.
Cartel, this whole selector, you ever hear Cartel put him on for me? I make nobody put them on for me. So how you go do song for me? I'm a bad man for real. Him should have go do a song off of Devil Brat. Answer, defend the Gaza. You're a coward.
No, all right, me hear you, Foota, but you're very outspoken. You never yet mince your words or anything. But who actually holds Foota hype accountable when you cross the line or you get it wrong?
All right. I have people who tell me the truth all the time. I will try reason. You have Buggy. But one of my elder, where me and him will chop it up. And if him tell me something will make sense, yeah. And like me agree to everything what him say. Then you have Father Rev and you have couple people. But the thing, you know, Kishima, if you don't know the truth and the story, you can't advise me.
Yo, Warriors Entertainment, no we're out here and no badness for them, buffing and it, gold god, though. Tell you.